Samsung might finally fix its biggest camera problem with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and most people are missing this detail. In this video, I will break down the leaked camera upgrades of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and explain what they actually means for real users, not just marketing. Leaks suggest that Samsung is working on much longer main camera sensor for the S26 Ultra. A larger sensor means more light capture, which directly improves low light photo and video quality. What's important here is not just megapixels. Samsung has been using high megapixel sensor for years, but image consistency has been a weak point. If this leaks is true, Samsung may finally focus on sensor quality instead of numbers. Another interesting rumor is about changes to the telephoto system. Samsung already leads in zoom, but software processing sometimes oversharpen images. If Samsung improved computational photography instead of just zoom range, this could result in more natural images. In my opinion, this matter more than extreme zoom numbers. Video performance is where Samsung still trail behind some competitors. If the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra introduce better HDR handling and low light video stabilization, it could finally compete at the top level. This would be a huge upgrade for content creators. Personally, I think Samsung finally listening to feedback instead flashy space. They seem to be focusing on real world camera performance. If these camera leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could be Samsung's most balanced camera phone ever. Not the most extreme, but most reliable.